Hello viewers, today we'll talk about software developer or software engineer. So if you're new or to software industry, or if you're a fresher, or if you have passed your 12th and you want to continue or start your journey of software engineering, then this video is for you. So we'll talk about what all is needed to become a good software engineer, what is the career path for a software developer or a software programmer. So let's get started. So let's first understand what is software engineer. So software engineers or developers are responsible for creating different softwares. Every day we use Google, Facebook, WhatsApp, Airbnb, Booking.com, Twitter, etc. All these are developed by software developers. Software engineers design innovative software for business and common people use. From a social media app, personal banking app to a company project management software, software engineers are behind all of the apps and programs that make business and daily life more efficient. A software engineer is someone who develops software. Just as an engineer conceive of and develop machinery, a software engineer conceive of and develop software for a range of different applications and clients. There are different types of jobs available in software industry, and you don't need to do all, and you cannot do all, so you can just choose one of them. So first is the and what are the different roles available that you can select from is security engineer, full stack engineer, front end engineer, DevOps engineer, backend engineer, software engineering and test, data engineer, embedded system software engineer, security engineer, cloud engineer, big data engineer, and mobile developer. So broadly we can categorize the software engineer roles into application engineer, system engineer, security engineer, and quality assurance engineer. So application engineers are they design, build, and maintain applications that are required by the business and organizations or any end user. They also understand common application development. System engineer are they carry out different tasks. Their primary task is to implement and maintain software that is necessary for the smooth functioning of a computer and address to the standard operating procedure for the business. Security engineers they ensure that the client end is secured by ethical hacking into them. Their primary job is to ensure there is no information being stolen and protect the client from malicious cyber attacks. And quality assurance engineer they set the standard and policies under which all the engineers write their programs to ensure efficient software development. So why you or anyone should become a software engineer? There are multiple reasons. Few of them I had listed. It gives you job security, autonomy. You get to solve interesting problems. You can code your own applications. Excellent salary package you will get across the world. Being able to work remotely, that is also possible as if you are a software engineer. Community, travel, conferences, all these are part of the software engineer job. It is constantly evolving industry. Every day you learn new things and develop new things. It gives you good career progression and completion and challenges as well. So if you are interested till now, then I will show you the different steps that you can take to become a good software engineer. So select the right degree or certificate course related to software development first. So if you have passed your 10th, 12th, after that you want to start the software engineer career, then first of all you need to select the degree or certificate course which will teach you the basics of software engineering. Courses can be bachelor's degree or a master's degree in software, computer science, or information technology. This includes Bachelor of Computer Application, Master of Computer Application, Btech, BE, Bsc IT, etc. Pursue a computer science related fields and degree. Step 2 is once you get enrolled in courses, there will be a lot of things you will learn. You may like few things and may not like many things. Select the specialty from the topics you like. For example, programming language of your choice, or if you like database, or if you like testing software, or if you like networking, cloud related tasks, etc. So based on your like, you can pursue career in that. Third step is master the programming skills. If you want to be a software programmer or developer, you don't need to learn all the programming language, but at least one or two programming language you should focus on. This also depends on if you want to go in UI development or backend development. If you want to go in system admin or quality, then you don't need to master all the programming languages or any two. There are few which is used in system programming or automation of the tests. Step 4. is for a backend programmer, it's important to know at least one database, since all DBMS RDBMS are similar conceptually, so we don't need to master all the databases. Today we should also know one of the NoSQL DB such as MondoDB, DynamoDB, Cassandra, etc. Step 5 that you can take is, for a programmer it's important to learn data structure and algorithm. We should solve problems on everyday basis. We can get enrolled on Hackerearth, Hackerrank, Leetcode, etc. platform to practice programs which may be asked in the interview as well. Step 6 is master the theory part of software engineering as well. In the interview you are not only asked about the programming but also theory part of the software engineering. So you must master the theory part of software engineering as well. This includes basic concept of operating system, networking, databases, OOPS, design pattern, cloud concept, etc. The next step is brush up on your tech skill before going for the interview. Software developers need to enter the workforce with a solid set of tools at their disposal if they want to stand out to employers. Pick a stack, a set of technology and tools which you use to create and run software, and get really good at it. Step 8 is the technical skills are essential to career as a software developer, but soft skills that allow you to work on a team and creatively solve problems that can be just as important. Companies are more interested in unteachable qualities like initiative, curiosity, collaboration, communication style, and cultural match. So soft skills are also important if you want to be a good software engineer. Step 9 is to gain experience by working on a sample projects. To become a developer or a software engineer, you need to use your theoretical knowledge and concepts practically working on the same real software. Sample projects can also help to showcase your expertise. You can build some personal or professional projects, you can contribute to some open source projects, and you can showcase it to the recruiters, putting everything online. Your potential employer will be able to see your skills and experience through your projects. So if you are fresher and if you are not in job, then you can work on some sample projects and that you can showcase in the interview. Step 10 to become a software engineer is prepare for interview by going through the sample interview question on different topics online. If freshers, you can expect question on programming language, OOPS concept, master data structure and algorithm for basic to advanced, concepts of object-oriented analysis and design, computer science subjects, aptitude and reasoning, resume building tips and hacks also you should know, helps in building high quality projects as well. So these are the things that you can expect in the interview. So how will you find the jobs? You can find software engineering jobs through general job posting websites such as Naukri.com or LinkedIn, IT jobs fair and meetups as well, or freelancing website as well that can give you some job. Freelancing website will connect you with the clients and employers who want contract work done. Even if you are looking for permanent employment, you can use freelance job to build your portfolio of work. Some companies use recruiters to find software engineers to hire. Building a presence online and making contact in both local and online communities can help to make you visible to recruiters and other people looking to hire developers. So what are the future roadmap of software engineers? So in future we'll be working more on the cloud, Python, blockchain technology, platform as a service, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cybersecurity. To improve your coding skill, you must enroll in the coding bootcamp. If you want to increase your coding skills quickly, then you should enroll in coding bootcamp. It is a technical training program which helps in learning programming languages. Actually, the time limit of this program is much less than a degree. Coding bootcamp can last from 6 to 12 weeks only, in which you can focus on the important aspects of coding. Today, there are many such coding bootcamps which last for 2 years. The biggest advantage of this is that you get experience in how the software engineer works. Now, apart from learning yourself, you should also take advice from people associated with the software profession. So if you are in problem with something, then answer the question with the rest of the people related to software engineering. There are many such forums and websites on the internet where after registering you can ask a question to the rest of the software engineers associated with that forum. With this you can get experience in the field of software engineering. Many of your fears are overcome and you learn new ways of programming. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel.